We have all been pretty excited since the announcement of the new Amazon Ring drone. The Always Home Cam seems like a fun crossover between home security tech and the drone hobby we love. But it has raised a lot of questions. Today, we're going to answer some. Hey everyone, my name is Sean and welcome to Geeksvana. On this channel you will find content on drones and tech, whether that's the latest drone news, interesting interviews or live streams. If that's your thing, subscribe. Since our video a couple of weeks ago bringing you the announcement from Amazon's fall tech event that the retail and tech giant were releasing a security drone for your home, it has raised many questions. Geeksvana has been working hard to answer some of these questions and can today reveal what we have found out. Now, this isn't an exhaustive list and is based on what we have found out from Ring themselves. Let me know in the comments what you think should be the next questions answered. As we already know, the camera will work as part of the Ring security system, and as the promotional video shows us, will zip to the location of a break-in within your home to provide video feed of the issue to the device owner via their mobile phone. Although it is autonomous, some wondered if the drone could be sent on missions by the owner, for instance to pop and check if you closed a window or left the stove on. Well, we can reveal that once the drone has mapped your property, it can indeed be sent on missions by the owner to what Ring have called viewpoints to provide a live feed of the location. So this means the little drone will fly on demand or when a disturbance occurs. It will only fly the pre-approved route from the system's map of your house, and users will not be able to control it in the same way we would a normal drone. There are of course many privacy concerns raised by this drone, and Ring have attempted to address some of these. Firstly, the camera is obscured by the docking station when at rest, so it will not be continuously recording and providing a live feed. Also, the tiny drone makes what Ring describes as an audible noise when flying, so it is obvious when footage is being recorded. This would, I presume, mean the noise of the motors and props, but means that you will not be spied on in your own home without knowing about it. One question which has come up a lot, especially from the drone hobby, surrounds collision avoidance and whether the small drone will have any avoidance sensors. For those outside the drone hobby, these sensors work together with software to ensure a drone does not crash into anything, something which is very popular with modern drones flown in the great outdoors, so the need for them indoors is even more important. Well, Ring tell us the drone will have obstacle avoidance technology to allow it to avoid objects in its path. This is a bold claim for a drone system set to retail at $250, but then, as it is fully autonomous and flies to pre-recorded maps, it doesn't have a lot of the other tech many other large outdoor drones have. One other area of great interest from you, our viewers, was the, shall we say, potential for interaction with pets or people moving through the property. Ring tell us that the avoidance system and shrouded propellers should remove issues, certainly in terms of hurting a person or pet that might collide with the drone. I'm yet to be convinced here. Although the drone will fly high enough to generally avoid inquisitive cats and toddlers, a proficient dog identifying the drone as a tasty treat or a game of frisbee could, I think, still grab it from the air. How well the drone takes off and then finds its home again is a big question, especially as the promotional video does not show the drone landing fully. We are told that this is something which happens smoothly and precisely every single time. Again, we all might need to see this one to believe it. Personally, I remain very excited about this piece of tech and look forward to having a play with it next year. There are a lot of questions which remain unanswered, and I fully expect this to be one of those bits of tech which needs a generational tweak or two before it becomes a fully useful device with a broad market appeal. There will, however, still be those who simply do not want a flying camera zipping around their home. We will of course keep you fully informed of anything else we manage to find out as we get closer to launch day. Thanks for watching, see you in the next video.
Please remember to like and subscribe.
All right, you're still here. No in the seat.